I don't know what I'm going to do today. I think I'm going to do like a wing, just a simple makeup with a nice winged liner. So yeah. I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection pre-makeup base. The thing about this thing that I don't like is that it seems to have like, it splits. Like there's oils and cream that are not mixed in together, and I shake this thing and it just doesn't like, come together. My skin hasn't been the best lately. Like I've been breaking out quite a bit on my forehead, which is really annoying. I'm going to be taking my it's from Boots, it's the Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Shine Control Day Moisturizer. A lot of people are asking me about doing a skincare routine, which I might not do because my skincare routine is really basic. But I use, most of the products I use have Witch Hazel in it, because I don't know, I find ever since I started using Witch Hazel in college, my skin has improved a lot. And I use a lot of I use sunscreen every single day. So those are two things that I would like advise people to use. Okay, for foundation today, I'm going to be taking my NYX Born to Glow foundation. I love this one. And I'm in the shade Walnut. It's a bit too much. So I am in the process of trying to find a tattoo artist because I really want to get a tattoo, and I'm actually quite scared just because I've never done it before. But I'm currently talking to someone. Hopefully they have availability to do it. So I'm going to be highlighting and contouring with first the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C13.5. I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C18 as well.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
So I'm going to blend my contour first.
Doing tonight is everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. Giving you my hand.
I like to leave my nose contour last, just because it cleans up my highlighter. Honestly, I'm really sorry about this lighting, it just keeps going in and out.
I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa. This is my favourite setting powder. while that bakes, I'm going to put some face powder on. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution matte base powder in P14 all over my face. I'm feeling for like a super matte face, so I think I'm going to go in with another powder. I'm going to be going in with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder, and this is the shade 350 Caramel. It's very light, but I use it for my under eye. I'm just going to smooth up my under eye and brush out any of that excess setting powder. Now I'm going to contour and bronze. I'm going to start off with my bronzer. I'm going to start using, this is my favourite bronzer of all time at the moment. It's the Morphe Glam Bronze Bronzer in Supreme. There's another, I think it's called Lead, but I go between those two and those are my favourites at the moment. For contour, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in Deep. Some of the shades they're not bronzers, they're contour. I still like them, but they're not bronzers. But I like it as a contour. I'm going to use that. Actually done a lot of lash cleaning at the moment, so I'm just reusing random ones, so I do apologise if I can't tell you the name. These ones I got free in a wig, so I can't actually tell you where they're from or anything. Bang my arm! Ow! Really bang my arm on my wardrobe. I'm going to do my brows using a brow pencil from The Hair Shop. Oh, it really banged my arm. Just gonna brush these up. And then I get my brush. Brush it out. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, which is on for your brows, but I'm going to use it to do a little liner. And I'm just taking the angle brush, Anastasia Beverly Hills angle brush to go with it. This mascara is the Maybelline Great Lash Big Blackest Black Mascara. I'm going back in with that brown pencil that I use for my eyes and my brows. I have tons of these, like I just love this colour. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with it. And then I'm going to be taking this Morphe lip gloss, and it's called it's in the shade Freebird, sorry.
Wasting time is all I do.
And then I'm just going to go with a clear lip gloss. This is just one from the hair shop.
Much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you.
Okay, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb 2 Holo at me. Oh, holo at me, I get it. And it looks like this. It's supposed to look white, but because obviously my makeup and stuff is mixed with it, I keep bashing my hands on my fucking fireplace. Because my makeup keeps mixing with it, obviously it just looks a bit brown.
Waking up anew. Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you,
I'm just gonna use my Morphe setting spray. This is the mattifying continuous spray. And we are done. Oh, I think I'm actually really happy with this look. This actually might make it onto YouTube. I think this is like the most flawless foundation I've done in a while. I'm feeling cute for once. I'm feeling, but yeah.
said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand.